A lot of people find it difficult to see the road when they are driving. Their windshield glass and also all the windows are so dusted they are not able to see very clearly. Now that you may think that we need expensive liquids for cleaning the glass to make it very clear, actually it is not required. All you need is a teaspoon of Surf Excel. This car I purchased for training the students and everyone for driving. Now to clean this car windshield, you can see it is very clear. To clean this car windshield, follow these steps for all the cars. It is going to be very easy and affordable method. In India, in summer season, you can see the dust is on the top of the windshield and also in the car. In the winter season, you will not find dust. First, just clean this dust with a brush. This brush is available in Amazon and also you can find it in the local store. Anyways, I have given the link. You can just click the link and buy it from Amazon if you want, or else you can buy it from a store. You can use this brush to dust all the dust from the car. Just clean it and then you will have to wash the car with water. This adjustable water hose is also available in Amazon. I've given the link. Or you can even take a bucket of water and a mug to clean the entire car. Just wash it. So wash all the glasses of the car as well, and then take 1 teaspoon of Surf Excel powder. Just sprinkle it over the glass and then apply water and then just rub it like you used to do for washing the clothes. Then again rinse it fully with water, wash it thoroughly so that the soap and everything, all the froth, it goes away, and leave it to dry for 5 minutes. After that, take a piece of cloth, just wipe the entire car away from all the droplets, and then take another piece of cloth and wipe the windshield. Okay, these are dry cloths. Just keep wiping it, just keep wiping to and fro till all the droplets of water dries away. This is a very affordable way of washing the car, and trust me guys, after this your glass will be very clear that even a small safety pin will be visible through your windshield. Also guys, I would highly recommend you wash the car in the car shop. Just we are inside the car, just use a cloth to wipe the inside part of the car to dry it well. Also you can just wash the car, the inside part of the car in the car shop. I would not recommend you to wash the car by yourself, especially the inside part. And also the outside part of the car, there is no need to worry. The water can fall on all the places. Nothing will happen to the car. There is always draining systems and holes. Automatically all the water, the rainwater, everything will drain off to the ground. The rain automatically washes the entire car. So that's an advantage. But when there is heavy rain and the rainwater has fogged your windshields, this system you have to remember. Always go for external ventilation. Once you choose this option, you have this adjustable knob. It depends on the vehicle and vehicle, but all these controls are the same. Just make sure this is a defogger switch. I want you to select the defogger mode. By this way, the car will not fog in heavy rain. Don't forget to use the hazard lights when there is heavy rain to warn the cars that is coming back of this vehicle. Also guys, remember to switch on the hazard lights in case of heavy rain to warn the cars that is behind this vehicle. One more thing is this system works only when the car is switched on. I have switched off the car, so I am not using it. You have to turn on the AC button and then turn it to the defogger switch. Alright? Yes. And then make sure it is in external ventilation. The air should go out.